Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your braid from this to this. Now I use both of these types of braids depending on what I'm doing. Now if I'm wanting to give my hair some wave and just braid it, take it out the next day, I will do this type of one to keep the wave near the front of my face. And if I'm just wanting to keep all my hair back, get it out of my face, it still will give the crimpy look, but just a little bit different. I will use this one that focuses more towards the back of your head. Now, I recently discovered this one. I'd always seen girls have their hair braided and it was going back and it was so cute. I'm like, how do I get my braid to not be all loosey-goosey and more focused towards the back? So I found a really easy way. I'm going to show you. The only difficult part in this is it is a little bit of an arm workout because your arms are going to be up the whole time. So I have to take some breaks sometimes if I just did arms that day. But anyway, let's get started. All right, I'm going to leave the one side I already did in and just show you on this side. So I took out the braid and already gave a little bit of a crimpy look. I love this for like your second and third day hairstyles. I would leave mine in for at least a full day to make the wave really last. Now, if you're a beginner braider and you're not really sure of the basics and you want to learn a little bit more of French braiding, I do a very in-depth tutorial about braiding. I will link it below. Go check that out to just sharpen your braiding skills. Now, the two things that you're going to need: a clip or a hair tie to hold the other side of your head. I already braided mine, so I'm not going to need that. But I like these crop clips because they really hold the hair, or you can just use a hair tie. Tie that side away. And little elastics. These are the ones I use. There are tons of different ones, but you will need some of those. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hair, throw it behind your shoulder. You want all your hair towards your back. Now you're going to take a little section up front, roughly about this size, and you're going to want to face it back. All of it, you're going to be facing it back. That's the key. Then you're going to split this section into three. So you can take 2 fingers, split it like that until you got 3 sections. So what I do is I'm going to start with the outer section. And you can either put it over or under. It just depends on how you like the look of your braid. I like my braid sitting on the top of my hair, so I focus my braiding underneath. So you're going to take the outer section under the middle, the other outer section, put it under the middle. Okay, now is when we're going to start to add hair. So you're back at the outer section. I'll take my thumb, slide it under, grab a piece of hair, put it under the middle. Now this is the part that's different. Oh, my arms are already starting to get tired. Okay, I don't add any hair to the other section. I only add hair to this outer section, not the inner section. So I will just put this under the middle without adding any hair. Okay, now we're back at the outer section. Add some hair. Make sure you're pulling it tight, keeping your hair together under the middle. And this one goes just right under the middle, no adding any hair. So not adding any hair to this inner section is what helps keep it towards the middle of your hairline, because you're just pulling hair toward the back. And try to keep your hands touching your scalp at all times. This is to prevent any bubbling or the hair getting too loose. This will just keep it nice and tight.
Mama, is that beautiful?
Oh, that is so nice, bud. Thank you. once you hit the bottom, you're just gonna finish it off with a regular braid. And when you pull it around, you're gonna be going over the top. Take your little elastic.
Oh my, look at you.
Then you can pull some hair out from the side. Just frame your face a little bit. And there you have it. I just love them going all the way back. I don't have to worry about the braid falling in front. They stay behind my head. My bangs are out of my face. It is just a go-to spring summer look. Give this a try if you've always wanted to have your braids facing back but didn't know how. I feel like this is so much easier than an actual French braid because you're only adding hair to one section. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.